Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we have Mitesh Rathod with us. We're gonna talk about Laravel updates of past 2 weeks. Right. We will try to cover. We will try to cover as much as possible. So let's go.
Hello, hello guys. So
Okay. So should we start from Taylor's Twitter? What do you say?
yeah, that's good idea.
Hmm. So let me share my entire screen too. Yeah. So I hope this it's visible now.
Yes, it is visible.
Hmm. Okay. So let's go. So let's scroll.
Hey, just about the Laravel cloud. Uh,
Yeah,
yeah, 5
I
lakhs
think yeah,
deployments.
it's 2019. Yeah. Oh, sorry,
Okay,
19 May.
19th May.
Okay, we can start from here, I guess. So before that, let me introduce the We Must Ship. Right. So We Must Ship is a series where we share Laravel updates. Right. With shipping something. Uh, right. And today I have a Coke Zero as well. Always. Yeah. And Mitesh will say what he have.
Hello guys, I have today Starbucks black coffee, uh, home brew with mocha pot.
Hmm. Cool. So let's go ahead and see that like we have 5,000, 5 lakh, right? 5 lakh.
5 lakhs.
So 500,000 times community have shipped to Laravel cloud, right? So it's a
Quite
huge
a
hmm,
milestone, I can say.
milestone. Yeah. Okay, building a AI chat experience with the Laravel plus inertia get easier tomorrow, right? So it is, I think, about Ustream, right? I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm. He also shared that he's working from long, and he the biggest break was in 2020, sorry, 2018, where it was a 5 days because he was hospitalized, right?
Okay, yeah.
Mm. So it was the yeah. Otherwise, he is doing a GitHub activity every day almost. A developer or okay. Mm, and Laracon, yes, I think this is Ustream. Yeah, right. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is something which was
Oh,
launched.
you also
Okay.
commented. Okay.
Yeah, I done twice. Okay. So this is something which is, I mean, uh, used for, I mean, streaming the responses like we see in the chat GPT, right? When you ask something, it's just start writing everything, right?
Yeah, yeah, okay.
So it is
Proper
similar to that.
instant
You
response.
can, yeah, you can mimic that with using this, right?
Okay.
Ustream, and yeah, it's in docs, right?
Laravel
Already.
documentation as well.
So
Okay.
you can just do this stream, which was added a few months ago, and after that, you can just use Ustream, which
Okay.
must be available in Vue and React both, right? You
Front
can
end
just switch.
packages.
Yeah, you can just switch like this, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and it being used in one of the starter kit as well, which is the Pushpak Charged is working on that starter kit, right?
Okay.
Hmm. Okay,
That's nice.
so
Laravel Live.
after that, it's Laravel Live UK.
Okay.
I don't know if it is okay. New package is also dropping at LaraCon. Now,
US.
which LaraCon it is, I don't know. It must
Laracon
be
US.
LaraCon.
US
I
might
don't
be.
know. Probably, I don't know. I mean,
Because upcoming is the Laracon US, the biggest
no.
Laracon
Okay, yeah, of course, yes, yes. LaraCon US, then LaraCon AU, then EU,
yeah,
then India. Right.
India.
Hmm. Of course. Then it is the Ustream stuff already, which is
Joy Kanema.
let's mute. Okay. Okay, he's doing same stuff, right? He's using use stream. Are you watching? Oh,
Sorry.
he's using. He's showing the demo, like how you can use Ustream
Mm-hmm.
into your React app. I guess. Yeah. So yeah, you guys can check this. See,
Let's check our,
Ustream was also.
yeah, our
Uh,
Laravel channel.
mm, Whoa, the post is not available. Whoa,
Okay, might be delete or something.
I don't know. It can be possible that someone blocked me as well.
Okay.
Just joking.
No, no,
Yeah,
that's
but
fine.
see, I can show you. He blocked me, and I don't know him.
Okay.
I even don't know him.
Ninja Par Paraday.
Yeah, I know one thing that he posts Laragon US photos, but I don't know why he blocked me. I don't know him.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know him. Yeah,
Why
so
not?
maybe it's this post can be from him. I don't know. Okay, but I think it's from the Laravel PHP, which is deleted,
Mm-hmm.
right? I don't know if there will be any way. Okay.
We can not recover,
Wow.
that's fine.
Pushpak's post is retweeted by Taylor Otwell. Wow.
That's a
You
good.
know, Taylor never replied me. Okay.
That's a big achievement
So
actually, Pushpak. And sounds
building an
amazing.
AI. Okay, I know about this. I already seen the demo as well of this. It's being hosted on Laravel Cloud.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, I already
Yeah, I think,
got the demo of
yeah,
this. Yeah, Taylor was on. I mean, Nuno stream, so you can watch
yeah.
it on Nuno's channel, right?
Yes, I saw his video, and there's like
Hmm.
most of the talking about the how they are starting the Laravel in 2011
Yeah,
and how the illuminates and everything is introduced by Taylor.
that story
It's a
was
very
amazing actually.
amazing actually. Yeah.
Yeah, he was like he was working privately
Yep.
because no one should like ask any questions and
That Taylor
yeah,
is not
kind of
recognizing from the community actually. The like this framework can do much more thing or yes or no. So there
yeah,
is very like objections from the community side, but Taylor
yeah,
proved them like hey no, it is very powerful and now everyone in the PHP community is like cheering for the
yeah.
Laravel actually.
So what I'm saying is, Nightwatch is releasing soon.
Uh huh.
Yeah, and
There's a
Taylor says less than 2 weeks, right?
uh huh.
So what I think is it can release anytime, right? That's why you can see that you can see very late tweets from the Taylor right now because he
Mm-hmm. They're
must be
working
working
so
on
much
this
busy.
Nightwatch stuff, right?
Absolutely.
So this is the stream. It was also what you call it on like streamed on Twitter as well. Hmm. Taylor retweeted 2 tweets. Wow. I mean the comment tweets as well. Wow.
Yeah, there it is.
Laracon 2025. Okay. Hmm. So pop overs are coming to the flux
Yep.
components.
Actually,
Actually, the yeah.
yeah, yeah. Sorry, go ahead.
Continue. No, go ahead.
Actually, I watching the collab since long time. He's working so hard for the Livewire and Alpine Chase and the Flux. They are creating. He's creating actually his own component. Even it is like a select radio button or something in pop-up models,
Right.
navigation bars. He is focusing so many micro details that with the polishing details. Okay, that it should be like this, the border radius and font style and font family, and everything minor details he is focusing,
Right.
and everything he can just I saw some of the tweet that I've been working for the like 8 years for whole night. sorry, not 8 days. Sorry, my bad, 8 hours. My bad.
8 months. 8 months.
Eight.
Eight months.
Might be.
Hmm.
So he's focus like targeting so many micro details that it is completely and good actually. That
Hmm.
makes Flux successful, and even micro details and micro components here targeting that. Hey,
Yeah.
yeah, I will build like this way. I will build like this way.
Yeah. So of course, and the pop over stuff is very crucial part when you are working
Yeah.
with Livewire, right? Because Livewire do re-renders every time,
Re-render
right?
stuff actually.
And your popper will be missing after first re-render. You need to use wire ignore, or maybe
Yep.
you
Yep.
need to display some events to load the
Initialite.
initialize the popover again, and you need to save the that state as well. Right.
Yep.
I'm using pop-ins or something. Oh, I don't remember, but I use two different kind of popovers in my project previously. With when I was working with chats and all stuff, I was showing profile details with the popovers, and whenever you do scroll, does all popovers stop working, and I had
Yeah.
to do lots
Uh,
of work.
it was happened
Yeah.
with me for the bootstrap one, like a bootstrap popover,
Mhm.
or sometimes it's a flow byte. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
So,
just posting the Instagram story so like everyone get connected.
hmm,
Just a second. Parsha. Yeah.
okay.
Sorry.
So what I'm saying is, Taylor also posted one thing that how many uh, people do you personally know were let go from their job for explicit reason they were being replaced by AI, right?
AI.
And 90% is saying none. That's actually good. Okay.
Of course.
Anyone working on Laravel MCP servers for AI enhanced development? I want Laravel
Level
Telescope
telescope.
data to exposed and accessible with cloud code, so it can be see queries made and models fetched, control actions used. Wow. Hmm. Okay. For that, maybe you don't need an MCP server. Maybe uh, uh, agent with the some tools. Maybe it will be successful because have you seen that Lara agent stream on Saturday?
No, I haven't.
We were actually asking like we have created one chat stuff, right, where you can ask that how many users we have, please update this email id user subscription to this, and it will be updated as well.
Okay.
So the
That's
same
interesting.
scenario can be happen with the telescope as well. I don't know, I mean. Okay, let's finish. So we can see that Taylor is working on night watch, so he's
Yeah.
tweeting less.
And
So let's
more
see.
like
Yeah.
encouraging people for the Larakan US actually.
Hmm, of course. So let's start from releases. Last week we skipped the Laravel Vimmership stuff, right? So yeah, we can continue. Uh, so have you seen any of them uh, in
Release.
Laravel 12.15?
Yes, I go through the like this 12.15 release.
Mm-hmm.
It's a one very interesting one is the, 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 yeah 12.x add
Let
hash.
me zoom it.
No, no, it is
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
There you go. Add
Hmm.
hash string helper by yeah, this one.
Hmm. Oh, yeah.
Like it's kind of like hashing the mechanism like we are using SHA-256
Hmm.
algorithms and okay. So here we need to like adding a pipe sign here. The pipe, then we are adding the closure functions. Okay, and then it is give me a hashed content. So
Right.
instead of that, he's just adding like a built-in helper function,
Hmm.
supporting function for the hash. Just you need to give a algorithm like which encryption you want to use, either
Hmm.
the double XH
Right.
3 or
So
256. Yeah,
what? Yeah, what it does under the hood? Oh, nothing.
simple as that. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, and he's smoking, I guess. Wow.
Uh-huh.
No. Whoa. Okay. No. No. He's just matching stuff.
Yeah,
I
it's
mean, why?
matching with that like original the helper
Uh,
function with the
those. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. The interesting was for me was this one.
Number 5 size.
Mhm. Yeah. So it is like my projects more than 150 to 180 test was failing.
Oh,
Yeah. Right.
uh-huh.
There are more than 12,000 tests, but yeah.
My God.
Yeah. So it is like they have added this uh, somewhere here or maybe right. So this was the version, I guess, or yeah, I think this was, or I mean before that, I don't know. I mean, let's see that directly. I mean, so it is like
What was that? Okay.
let's go here. Must be mentioned. Yeah, this
Yeah, it
right.
is.
So let's go back and search this one, right? So it
14.
came in 12.14, right? So my current version was 12.14. So my tests are suddenly failing, and I was working on but other uh, what to call it, other feature, right? And this was totally unrelated stuff. I haven't changed anything, and tests were failing. Then I realized the where everywhere where we have used file size, it is failing, right? And suddenly just I done composer update
And latest version
and
is
they
logged.
started passing, right? But you can see that now we have, like, I mean,
Liberty.
reverse stuff is more to see. Whoa, I need to write it like, but
Hashtag.
no,
Remove.
yeah. So it is like four revert
Four
PR are
times.
already there on same page. Okay.
Okay.
So thing is, it is reverted in actually a different version than, I mean, even different minor version, right? 12 and 14.1 is also there, which is itself a big release.
Uh-huh.
No,
Yes.
it's just no, it just
It is about 10 and 11.
yeah, it's yeah, but they have uh like put stuff from there to here, right? Nothing else. And see here one revert is also there, which is from maybe 13.
Make blueprint resolve statically. Okay.
Yeah, 12. Oh,
After two
no,
reels.
right. So it is like when someone so if you don't have a taste, right, you will not get to know this even after 3 weeks or 4 weeks or 4 months. I mean, you need a taste whenever you just do composer update. You must run your taste, and you will realize that Laravel is now breaking. Hmm. But yeah, it is not easy to I mean manage everything, right? Yeah.
Absolutely.
So let's go.
Um, add assert client error in
This
test
one.
response.
Sorry, this one.
No, yeah, this one. Actually, the test case, though, you can just give more idea about it. It is about to test case, right?
It is nothing even. I mean, it is just a minor improvement. I
Okay.
don't know. I mean, it is like, see, what it is doing is before that we were doing this one, right? Assert true is client error. Now you can assert client error direct from
Ah,
response.
come on.
So I don't know. I mean, it's
They are just improvising the functions actually.
assert true is already there inside. Hmm.
That's why I told, they're just improvising
Hmm.
them short, using the shorter version of function.
Magic.
Magic. Fixed typecasting environment variable, that's okay. Previous model state. What is this? Like preserve previous model state by crayon bond. Above 7. Yeah, this one.
See, he is core team member, right? first thing.
Okay.
Hmm. So,
There is so many comments in there, so many activities.
he force pushed many time. Otherwise, I'm damn sure there will be 150 WIP
Oh my.
tweets. I
Commit,
mean, yeah,
commits.
commits. Yeah. Then after again Taylor updated something.
Taylor always do some minor correction according to that
Yeah.
function renames and variable
Yeah.
renames and everything.
Yeah. It's has attribute stuff, right?
Uh-huh.
So previous. Oh, wait. Right. This was the bug actually.
What?
I think I remember about this bug. So you can see maybe it must be mentioned. Oh, it's Taylor Otwell mentioned this.
In where?
Okay.
At previous. Okay. Here is lots of conversation. Right.
I'm not sure this offer beyond what we have get changes now. So I actually remember this get changes somehow returning null.
Mm-hmm.
And however, I noticed while looking at this that get changes is not documented. So that's not our problem. I mean,
Actually, I found this get changes while
hmm,
exploring the model class actually.
hmm.
Get change, then touch, and then fresh. So many functions are under the hood the model that it is not documented even.
Whoa,
Yeah, that's a good. Uh, you can just directly
discard
search on it.
changes was change get changes. You can just click here.
Yeah,
So,
get the changes parameter. Okay,
but I was actually looking for something else.
okay. Have you contributed something here?
No, no.
Okay.
I found this error. I never faced this error,
Uh-huh.
but let's keep it. I mean, I don't even remember now. So yeah, but the thing was, it was failing while you are using queue or something like that. You are not now after serialization or something like that. You are
Mm-hmm.
not getting the changes right,
Yeah, yeah.
or maybe something. Aniket shared with me, and uh, let me check if I can find from his chat. Right. If yes, then I will share. Otherwise, yeah,
Yeah. No, right, fine. Take your time.
I need to find Aniket's chat firstly, and I'm not able to do that. Why? I hope Aniket haven't deactivated his account. Yeah, here it is. And yeah, he's talking about get changes. Oh, I have good memory power, I guess. Yeah.
Of course you have.
So it is something about get original, right? Okay. Hmm. But we have talked about get changes in our chat. So yeah. So basically, yeah, I called get changes and it gave us changes that have happened. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So it was actually about get original stuff, right? And when you use should handle events after commit, right? With your queue, right? It will uh, it will forget the original stuff, and you cannot check even is dirty or is was changed something like that. I mean,
Yeah,
so
yeah, yeah.
yeah,
Got it.
it was something. Yeah, this is it. This is it. It
Because
was.
as I remember, when they are serializing the model or eloquent object, they are not adding so many things into the serialize
Yeah,
to avoiding like getting a large object, I can say, or large value to store into the
probably.
database. Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, let me tell you what actually happens. It just sometimes it just store ID and just get latest data from the database as well if you don't serialize. Okay,
Okay.
but I think serialize should work like you are just transferred the object from one place to another. That's it, I think. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's move ahead. What do you say?
I have one more question about this concept because in the recent project I am also working with the like queue and notification stuff. So
Yeah,
I am passing object to the like queue job and event listener. So whenever like we are just listening from the like fetching object from the listener into the listener, we are like sometimes they are not loading the relationship, so we are loading it back like forcefully, like a load is missing.
yeah.
Okay, so what about like can we add uh, something kind of trait or something or instead of interface that if the interface is there, then get the data with the relationship or they're all the relationship.
Sorry.
Not getting the point.
No, I got it. Like, but why you want to do that?
Uh, Instead of like adding one more line extra to like adding relation because whenever we are in controller or live wire component, okay, he knows like the model object knows like how it relationship we don't need to auto load, it is automatically fetched by Eloquent. But when we are serializing them, okay, they are losing that control or that power of the Eloquent. What do you
I
say?
really no, it's not happening with that. I mean, there is something which is without relation. Stuff is there while serializing. So you can decide that you want to serialize the relationships or not.
Okay, that I don't know actually. Okay,
Otherwise, I think we have this stuff. I guess, right?
with relation auto loading. Okay.
Yeah. So what actually happened in this stuff, right? Let me just Google it. I think it will automatically get to the Laravel news blog or something like that. No? Okay. Auto load relation,
Relationship.
relationships. Laravel. I hope we will. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's a
So
12.8 release.
basically, what I'm saying is, you can just say that with auto load relationship, right? So
Mm-hmm.
you don't need to write this all, right? Whenever
Okay.
you will try to access
Mm.
particular relationship, it will call load missing
Okay. Okay.
automatically, right?
Okay. Okay.
So if you just try to access client, then owner, then company, then name, it will auto load client, then client's owner, then client owner's company.
Yeah, based on the chaining. Okay.
Yeah, and you can just define this in your service provider,
Ah,
right?
good.
It will apply to all models by default.
Okay. This is what I am looking for. That's good.
Hmm. And one more thing is there, which is not maybe not there here, not in this, which is without auto loading, right? So if you have
Mm-hmm.
defined this, I think I will be able to find this with pull requests. Let's see. There is a 8 closed and prevents lazy loading, improve circulation, fix relation, global relation working with the closer serialization with relation automatically. No, I guess automatically. Okay, okay. We was not able to find that with what we searched, but yeah, we can search one more thing, which is without auto, right? I think so.
Mm-hmm.
And no. Okay, but there is one method, I guess, because it was added, and I remember added automatic relation loading feature. So this is the original PR actually.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Uh,
Okay.
it was
There is a
huge.
lots of conversation
Hmm.
already used in production 100%. Okay.
Okay, let's keep it.
Yeah. Yeah. That's fine.
I just want to
But
say that
yeah. Yeah. I got the point.
there
What I'm
is.
looking for actually.
Hmm. So let's back to the release. And yeah, I think you got the idea now, right? So
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, of course.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
nothing good. Yeah.
So in 15, 15 is clear now, right?
Yep, yep, we are good to with 15. Sorry,
So
sorry. I just highlighting one point. Like, what is types interact with the pivot table sync? There is one point here. Yeah, there it is.
this one. Hmm. Okay.
Passing
So
ID single it. Okay, okay. Pass IDs.
have you already understood or?
No, it is got it. Yeah, that's fine. I think I am finding some new one, so that's why I just highlighting.
Hmm, okay. Prevent lazy loading exception when using automatically eager loading relationships. Whoa, it was. Oh,
Lazy loading exception when the automatic loading relationship. Okay.
crazy.
And there is a fixed PHP address and DB command is if no password. Okay.
Yeah,
I guess we are good to with 12.15.
yeah. 16.
Go.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go with 16.
Hmm.
Before starting with the 16, from the viewers, is there anything your question or is
There
there
are no
anything
viewers.
like my God,
Hmm. I think maybe it's Monday. I don't know. I mean, or maybe I have announced it bit later. I don't know. But yeah,
okay.
that is also fine. Just
That is also fine. Like whenever they are watching this stream, and if you have any questions, feel
hmm,
free to comment it out. We will
hmm.
surely will reach
Just
out to
tag
you.
Mitesh. Don't forget to tag Mitesh.
Definitely, I will check that.
Hmm. Yeah.
How is that?
So let's say I have already tweeted about these two things, has all and to URI, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
So other than that, you want to talk about first before
Mm,
that?
nah, I'm fine with that. Good to
All right.
go.
So has
My
all is
God.
something like you have one array, right? And you just see that all the keys are present or not, right? So has all means whatever keys are provided should be there, right? So if there are two keys and one key provided, it will pass.
Pass.
If both the keys are provided, it will pass. If one
But one of
key is from there but one key is not from there, it will fail. Yeah.
okay.
So it is kind of I mean it's kind of is set, but yeah.
Hmm. For the keys and actually the strict behavior, right?
So it is something like, see, uh, if let's say PHP, right? If
Yeah.
so, suppose you have dot arr, right? So you need to do is set, right?
Yeah.
And
Keys present
arr
or not? Yeah.
name, right? I hope I mean that works. And comma dollar arr, right? And lang, right?
Language.
Who writes from, right?
Instead of that, can we use the array key exist or something built-in function from the array?
You need to do then array key exist and then array key exist,
Okay, then actually the
right?
value will be
So
strong.
yeah, I just wrote best way possible.
Ah, and that makes sense. Yeah,
Hmm.
that easy
So
to
it is like
make.
you can do this or this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, okay. Let me make it more better, I guess, because we don't have if in that, right? So yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, the original one is shorter.
Because of course, yeah, yeah. But
I mean,
if they have like a within a
oh,
minute,
wait. Yeah,
the array, you forgot. Okay.
yeah. Now it's still
Uh,
close.
it's still close.
Oh,
But what
what
if the
actually happening?
no still
It's close. But if this will be bigger, right? Yeah,
variable
at
name
the
will
end
be
it will
bigger
be
than
smaller.
of course.
This will be
It's
smaller. And
depending on
even
what
I
you're
wrote
using.
lang right at place of language.
So
Okay.
it's almost
So,
identical, yeah.
yeah. No, this will be smaller in like most of the cases.
Execution. Okay.
Most of the cases. So if
Uh-huh.
if it is like array of Mitesh girlfriends names, right? So
Come on.
you
You need to
need so it will be like you need to use that name for only once, right? In this case, but in this you need to use that twice, right?
okay. Yeah. The
Yeah,
variable
like
name will
if
be
we
duplicated.
have more details of the his girlfriend, right? Then we will have more
Still
keys, right? More keys, right? So it will be like it will be get longer and longer, and this will be
still
bits.
still you will get a 404 or null value. Whatever you write.
It will be null pointer exception, right? Okay,
Okay, cool.
let's go ahead. But yeah, thanks to AJ for adding this stuff
Thank you.
and to URI. So basically
Yeah.
now we have a new URI class, right? And yeah, it is about that class only. So you can just get that class from the stringable with doing to URI, right?
Okay.
So yeah, it is nothing, just URI of nothing else.
Okay. Same as a string object. Yeah.
Yeah,
str. Okay. Okay.
I
My
think you can see these two from the Steve Bowman, and who adds good features for long.
let's see.
So he have added one,
Yes, I saw his this comment like in array keys or something.
right? So in array keys, right? So you can, and let's see the final output as well. I mean, okay, it's in array keys. Sometimes what happened, some guys suggest and maybe Taylor updates the names, so you can see different things in description, and actual
Example.
stuff are totally different. I mean,
Of course.
because it was changed by Taylor or some suggested by someone. Okay, it's cool, but I don't know. Okay, yeah, it's cool actually. So let's read it. This PR introduces a new validation called e array keys that validates the weather. Sorry, not weather. Whether an array
Yeah,
contains
yeah.
at least one of the specified keys
Specified
it named
keys.
to follow. Okay, okay, one of the keys should be present. I mean, not all.
Present.
Yeah,
Yeah, in
one of the
array as a
keys
one of the keys in array.
in array. Required array keys. Oh,
So that means whatever they are providing, we are providing into the array keys. Okay. So that means it should be not all required. Some of them it's required.
right.
Hmm.
Today is the Monday, I guess. That's why we can see less. Okay, so I think this is night's edition. I will tweet about it.
Hmm.
And rule contains.
Rule contains. That's a some validation part. Okay.
Contains. So he added two new validation rules, right? So yeah. So this
One
PR
of them is a
adds,
okay. What was the
yeah,
new validation? One of them is contain.
and one is in array keys.
Ah, okay. Sorry. I lost. Sorry. Because I'm
So,
thinking like here is only showing the one of them. Why it's two? Okay, then I realized no, we had discussed already.
previous one from he himself only, and yeah,
Acha, okay, nice.
and he haven't added the actual full rule, I guess, but the contents was present. But you need to do some bad, sorry, strings of stuff, right?
Yeah, to make it as a string, I can say what it says. In a string actually, from
Yeah,
the left,
concatenate string,
concatening string.
implode and
Yeah,
all. But now you can do rule contains, and you can pass
with the
stuff.
enums.
Yeah, he's the genius guy. He will add enums also. But yeah, someone
Just
have
suggested
said
also.
that does already exist, but I can see other cases where this would be useful. So why you need to mention that? I mean, could you send PR to docs for this one? See,
Yeah, nice.
this is useful stuff.
Of
VPR.
course,
So Taylor is saying that you should done docs as well.
documented that. Yeah,
Now,
documented.
okay. Now this is interesting.
Doesn't have reference registered.
Doesn't that reference method registered in orchestra? Not sure if the dependency is wanted. Whoa. Okay. So basically, this is actually, see, this is the enum value method function. Sorry, which was the global function, which was not
Yeah.
present before like few months, I guess. Right. It
Okay.
was added
It's introduced
recently, I
in by
guess.
okay. So introduced by Laravel, or it is a PHP function.
Laravel.
Okay.
So it was like fixed doc blocks in 31 January. Oh, okay. Allows enum value to, okay, it's a old function. Hmm. But no one talks about this. Fix handling
We need
empty
to ask
values in
that.
enum value. Oh, it's 2024 now. This function was already, I mean, present like hell.
My God, it's since October 24.
Okay. Sometimes this happens.
We missed some of the functions. That's fine.
Yeah. But no one talks about it, so we will tweet about this.
Point to be noted.
Sorry. Hmm. So I think this two is nice.
Uh,
And yeah, he is also
okay.
from
Yeah,
AJ.
currently
So let's see that.
the hidden attribute from the context.
Okay. In addition to,
They introduced the context concept.
yeah, but it is add a contextual attribute. Okay. Wow.
Have you tried this context?
Oh, it's attribute. I mean, yeah, I tried context,
Okay.
but it is he's talking about the attribute. I guess. I mean,
Yeah, because
so
hidden.
he added user over
Yeah.
here. Okay, now we have someone in the chat.
Okay. All
Hello,
right.
Jinal. Thanks for joining.
Hey,
Long
Jinal.
time no see.
Yeah. How's going? And how's the Monday actually after the weekend?
She's on vacation, I guess. I talked with her, I think, few days ago. I don't know. I mean, oh, yeah.
Good. Enjoy.
Hmm. So this attribute is nice. I mean, so you can get typed in
No.
context.
Yeah. The context is like let's say here we are just passing through like a user object, right? So
Hmm.
they are just actually getting from the like only the available the publicly, as we can say, attribute, not hidden one. Because
Yes.
in the user
Yes. Yes.
as a free label and
So
the hidden
right. So he what he did is he said hidden true. If you pass hidden true, it will
hidden
uh
object as
get
well.
hidden.
Yeah, hidden
Get hidden.
attributes as well.
Yeah. Get
That,
hidden. Hidden is a function which I was
that's
talking
correct.
about.
Yeah.
So I have used this function. Let me try to show you quickly. My use case is a huge stuff which is present in Laravel auth jobs. So do you know about this package?
Odd jobs?
Yeah,
No.
I created this package on Livestream before 1 month, I guess. Yeah. So which actually allows you to
Hmm.
use authenticated user in your queued jobs.
Oh, okay.
Hmm. So your queue jobs, yeah.
Into the
So
queue jobs,
you
sorry,
just need to add a
huh,
middleware called authenticate job,
double job. Okay,
right, in your middleware.
okay.
I mean jobs middleware,
Uh-huh.
right? And now you can access auth user.
How?
Huh?
But where they will get a like a session, authentication session.
That is the magic.
That's a cool. Absolutely.
And you can also define that my this middleware group should have authenticated jobs,
Hmm.
and yeah, so whatever jobs dispatched from that particular middleware group will be authorized,
That's actually really good.
and you will just able to access this auth user around all your jobs, I mean.
Uh-huh. Yeah, 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 yeah.
And your job will if your job is running calling some service or action, and your action is calling your service, right, it will also have that
Dependency.
auth user there.
In the dependency injection,
Hmm? No, it's context.
man.
Hmm.
How it
So
works under the hood? How it works under the hood?
see, I just add hidden context, right, auth id and driver, right. and just I just get that here, and if both is not null, right, I just use that guard, and
Once
once
again.
using id login, once using id, so that will
Correct.
not dispatch login event as well,
Correct.
right.
Correct. Correct.
So it is just it was never happened likewise, I mean.
Smart move. Smart.
So yeah, I don't know, I mean, if anyone will have a use case of for this or not, I don't know, I mean.
No, no, because
But yeah.
this is very no, this is actually very useful. I can
Hmm.
say the package. Uh, it is a package, right? Yeah, but I can say it
Yeah,
is a
it,
very
it has two
useful.
downloads.
Nice, nice. But in some of the case, when there are some of the like I can say use case where they need to like get authenticated user need to get some notify from the service or
So
queue job.
let me tell you one thing. So basically, if you update something in your job, right?
Huh.
So it will have an observer, or I mean the creating event, right? And that event will also have authenticated user,
Authenticated
right?
user.
You just know, you just not need to look out for your, or you
Yes,
don't need to pass everywhere, I mean.
correct, correct, correct.
Yeah, so
That's
that is
actually
the use
amazing.
case. That was the my use case.
Actually, this package need to highlight actually.
But yeah, it is just 5 to 10 lines of code. But yeah,
But no, definitely, definitely. It is not about the writing a code. It is about the you can say you have like a 32 stars here. Yeah, that's a good. Actually, that's a good
yeah,
percentage as well.
how, yeah. Okay, let's move ahead. Mhm.
Minor language update to restore lazy loading check into lazy.
So one
I
thing is,
yeah,
yeah.
I saw one of them in the PR that they are correcting the uh, type hint
Hmm.
into the one of the
Yeah.
let me check repository factory also null the callback adding yeah, there is one add template scope.
Okay, sorry. I thought this is the one.
No, no, add
Hmm.
template variable to scope. Yeah, this one.
Okay, it's
I don't know
generic.
actually.
Generics.
Yeah, generics.
Hmm. So you want me to explain?
No, no,
I can
no,
do
no,
that.
no, no. I got that part, but
Hmm.
No, I guess this is not a PR which I'm looking for. Can you just go back?
This one?
Template, upset, argument type. Yes, yes, upset. I
I
think you,
opened this.
yeah, okay, then I realized, sorry.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. Because, see, they are just updating for the one of them upsert function about
Hmm.
like the type hint. Like they are just giving that, ensuring the ID is giving the hint. So we need to just specify what type of argument they are accepting. So rather than they are implementing one by one of the function, because now the PHP is accepting the name argument, or
Yeah.
we can say some of the Laravel core class, they have like a strict type of argument pass.
Not
Not all of
necessarily.
them, not all of them.
You're talking about native types or
Native types, native types.
okay. I named argument and native types are different stuff. So yeah.
Sorry, they're passing the array and everything, like a
Hmm.
array or like a string or a
Yeah.
collection.
Yeah. This array.
This array, yeah. Okay, they are like
Okay. Here.
giving the specifying them, but
So it
they
is
are
like
just
adding native type hints. Yeah.
native typings.
So why he haven't added that same stuff in while in written as well? I mean.
Quite debatable. I don't know.
Hmm. So I want to now check this one as well. Which was it
Redis.
is? Not that. This one. So
Enhancements.
Laravel is adding lots of generic types for long now. And one person is Caleb, I guess. Yeah, Caleb, not Caleb Osio, but his name is Caleb. He's also adding generic types. It is like T template model of
Oh, yeah,
T
yeah,
model of model, right? It
yeah.
is just model class, and it should return. It should have param as with the same model type. I mean, and it should have a builder of same model as
Same
well.
model.
I mean.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's way you can. I mean, natively it is not supported, and people are crying for generics in natively support should support in PHP. I mean, I hope that will be done soon, and it is not possible.
Okay.
Okay, I guess this is it was for updates. I guess. What do you say? Or
Yeah,
do you want to
yeah.
see more?
No, no. I'm just finding
One thing I
good stuff.
wanna understand is, uh, like why. I mean, changing is into from is integer. I mean.
What is the difference actually? I know it is for some of the like a core level. There is something minor affecting something. Don't know. Ask Copilot. Oh, it's raining. Finally,
What?
here in Vadodara, it's
Hmm.
raining in my area.
Oh, okay.
Why this matters? Okay, this matters.
Using is int is considered clearer and more standard in modern PHP code.
Okay.
Hmm. So what you can do is actually right. You can just go here and search is
Is int.
integer. I hope the spelling is correct,
Yeah,
but it is for file name search. So you can search is it like this,
globally. Okay.
right? And it is just nowhere. It's just present in change log only. Wow. एक मौका जो मिला था वो भी ले लिया.
वो भी ले लिया. I know what
So
you're trying to say.
So there was
Yeah,
one
yeah.
way to contribute, and
Contribute,
it
of
is
course,
not
of
there.
course.
Yeah. Okay, I think this is it was, and I think Copilot is now doing much good stuff
Yes,
already.
yes, yes.
And I mean, I whenever I get PRs, I just ask Copilot to review.
Just AI stuff. Get smart.
Yeah. Let's try once. I mean, in Pinkri, if I can if I'm pink. Curry.
Inquiry.
I don't know what. Pring
Uh,
curry, not pring curry. It's ping curry. Oh, okay. So suppose this Tushar Nayan have done this PR,
okay.
which has literally 4 lines of changes, right?
Wow.
And he's just adding response, returning response, no content at place of void while updating user time zone controller, right? Whoa, wait, wait. Okay, oh, okay, I got it. Yeah, right. So let's ask Copilot to review it.
How they Copilot review it? It automatically or something running the disk is okay.
Okay.
PR
This PR
refactor.
refactors user time controller to update the method explicitly. Return 204 no content response, thereby enhancing RESTful behavior and code clarity. Changes method signature. So I think there are no problems in this
This PR,
PR,
of course. You
but
can
I am
merge
not
it.
gonna merge it yet. Hmm. My PR is bit, but yeah.
That's fine.
Hmm.
That's fine.
What other thing we can ask her to
Refactor
review?
home menu. No. What about the PHP dependency? The next one.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Who's this?
There is.
No, I mean, add pull request template, add values to env. Let's just do this, or do you want to do this one? My PR.
Go ahead. Yeah,
It's
we can
actually
just more
huge PR.
conf.
Yeah, I
So
actually do
what
three
should I?
huge PRs. Let's do for multi login maybe. But I can ask Copilot. Yeah. Okay.
What in how the multi logins works? Like it is from the multiple device, like mobile
No,
or where?
no.
So
See the video.
okay, okay,
Hmm.
one logins there. Okay, okay, got it.
It has some issues which
Uh
can
huh.
be solved, but I want to solve it in a hard way. So yeah. So see, you can just switch.
Switching the okay, okay,
Hmm. You
got
can
it,
see the notifications. You can also add new account as well. I mean, if you want.
got it.
It
It's
is
kind
like
of
just like
similar,
Twitter.
yeah. But I can say the SaaS, not a SaaS, but what says
Okay.
multi-tenant.
No, no, not like that. You have just two accounts and you want to logged in at the same time.
Okay, okay,
So he's saying that switch should be
switch
renamed to
account,
switch account, which I
of
like as
course.
well.
Yep.
Mm, and yeah, if that switch is switch account, now you need to rename this switch to switch account as well. And you don't need to do unset.
Okay. So
But
why?
we need to do this.
So explicitly the user's account before the calling account remove. It's redundant. Okay.
I need to check this. I mean,
Okay, that's fine. Cool. Check for mistakes.
yeah. So yeah, that is what I was
It's
saying.
okay. Yeah, yeah.
Right. We have also button here as well. You can directly ask anything here. You can create a
It's a cool
readme
actually.
for me, right? Suggest next step for an issue, create a bug, summarize the pull request, create an issue for a bug,
Yeah.
interact with an architecture diagram. Let's see this one. So we must ask which issue. I think yeah.
Multi-login.
So
Sorry.
not multi login. We can say live at chat app. We are good. Hey, super. Thanks for joining. So we are going bit off topic, but yeah,
Yeah, that's fine, totally. There's some noise from my background.
yeah.
Sorry.
Can I ask, like, can you do that for me? I mean, absolutely. Sorry. He's not. He's not able to do that for me. He's just saying. Are you there?
Yeah, just a second. I'm just closing the door because here is some raining. That's why.
Yeah, that's okay. We are just about to end the stream, so yeah, that's fine. Totally fine. Okay, guys, thanks for joining. It was good to have you.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Yeah,
I
so
want
we
to
are
like.
just
I want to add one more thing about the Laravel starter kit
yeah,
because already we don't have much time. But in the next time, next we must shift part. I just addressed to Punyapal that you can just address that how the I can say Laravel starter kit improving because I see the Povilis video about they are creating own starter kit purely
yeah.
in a blade file. Okay, nothing else, just a pure blade file, the original Laravel.
Okay,
Because
okay.
according to Povilis, they are just losing the concept of MVC
Hmm.
when they are just
Right.
adding live wire and everything
Hmm.
because Laravel is purely based on the MVC model view
Yeah.
controller concept. Okay, because we are adding them as a live wire, as a you can say inertia. Okay, so
Yeah.
core beauty of the Laravel is MVC. So they are just beautifying everything into the streamline and
Right. Right.
dependency injection and everything.
Yeah. So
Okay,
what I
so
understood is, yeah, you don't need to use a live wire or I mean React or Vue every time. Yeah. And of course, this should not wait uh, for Viewership series, right? We can even do tomorrow or the day after tomorrow
yeah,
directly.
yeah,
I mean, if you
definitely,
want to join
definitely,
me, or maybe we can
of
look for
course.
other as well, right?
Hmm.
Yeah. So thanks for joining, guys. Bye bye.
Thank
See
you
you
guys.
guys. Yeah.
Bye bye.
See you
Cheers.
guys.